Hello dear students, we are discussing about admission of partner. In admission of partners, in the previous class we have seen the introduction and also calculation of profit and sharing ratio when nothing is given, like ABR partners and their sharing ratio and how much is to be given to the new partner is given simply, and who is going to share, nothing is given. In such cases, how to calculate profit and loss ratio, profit sharing ratio in fact, why loss. So profit sharing ratio, that we have seen in the last class. Today we will see second case. First case is over, second case. What is the second case? When the new partner share of profit from any one of the old partner. New partner will be given always share, profit share. So that is going to share by any one of the partner, any one of the old partner, not all partners. Only one partner is going to share. Then how to calculate that? Here is a small problem. Second problem we are doing. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. They are sharing the profits in the ratio of 2:3. They agreed to admit Z into partnership for 1/5 share in profits, and Z's entire share is given by Mr. Y alone. Calculate new profit ratio. Here remember three things. One thing is that they are sharing, X and Y sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3, and Z is going to get 1/5 of share and new profit ratio, and this 1/5 is going to give by only Y alone, not X, means X share is no change at all. So how to calculate? Well, let's see. Solution. You can write first XZ profit sharing ratio, XY profit sharing ratio is equal to ratio is here 2:3, and now Z's share, Z's profit sharing ratio is here 1/5. So this is going to bear by only the Y. So now X, what makes the difference? X share will be as it is. X share is here 2/3. No change, as it is, because he is not giving anything. Now we need to calculate Y's share. Y's new share, you can say. He is going to pay, his actual profit ratio is 3/5, right? 3/5. Out of 3/5 he wanted to give 1/5, means 3/5 minus 1/5. Out of 3/5 ratio he wanted to pay, he wanted to give 1/5. Deduct it, so that you will be getting Y's new ratio. New ratio will be 3 minus 1 is 2. 2/5. Sorry, X ratio is here 2/5. It's already given. So 2:3, 2/5. And this is Y ratio is here, his old ratio minus how much he wanted to give, 1/5. Deduct it, you are getting Y's ratio. When he has given 1/5, now leftover is here 2/5 only. Now as you know that Z's share, Z share is here 1/5. So new profit ratio of all the partners. Ratio of XYZ is equal to 1 by, so it is 2/5, no? So 2/5 and 2/5 and 1/5. It means 2:1. So this is the ratio. Am I clear? So simple thing, when someone is sacrificing, someone is giving from his share, then from his share only we have to calculate. Remember this point mainly. This you have to remember. Z share is as it is, only Y share only we are giving out of y share is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus how much he is giving? 1 by 5. If you subtract it, you are getting 2 by 5. That is the share he is going to get in future, because he has already sacrificed 1 by 5. It's given. Now leftover for him is 2 by 5. Anyways, Z share is 1 by 5. We know it. That's all simple problem. And also in the coming classes, we'll see more problems so that you'll get more clarity. And if you have a test book, take out few solutions, few problems and solve it. Illustrations you can take, or backside problems you can try. Anyway, answer is given. The answer is, are you getting or not, that you can check it out. So stay tuned to this channel. There are many more subjects I am going to cover, which already covered is there in the description box and also in the playlist. Do share this video. Stay connected. Good luck.